Hello and welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna make a Jamaican style apple fritter. Now in that Dutch oven I got 2 tablespoons of butter and it's over medium heat. In this bowl I got 3 cups chopped apples. You can use any type of apple you want. What I'm gonna do is just tenderize these apples in the butter. Just gonna tender them a little, not burn them or fry them. I'll get back to you when I'm at the other stage of this recipe. See you then. Okay, I removed the chopped apples from the stove. I add them for 2 minutes. I stir them for 2 minutes. Alright. Now in this bowl I got me 2 cups flour. That's all-purpose flour. I'll be adding 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon mixed spice, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. These are the dry ingredients. I'll mix them and set them aside. I'll see you with the wet ingredients. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the wet ingredients. It comprises of 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoon vegetable oil. I'm gonna mix these together. I'm gonna combine them with the chopped apples, pieces. How lovely it looks. I'm gonna put them with the dry ingredients. And fold them in. Remember, we'll be making fritters. If the mixture is too thin, add a little more flour. Okay. If it's too thick, just add a little more milk. So this is our batter, and this is how it flows off the spoon. You need a consistency like this, or you can use 2 spoons, one to help get the batter out the other spoon. We're frying them in the Dutch oven in vegetable oil. The oil will be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and they'll be fried 2 minutes on each side. I'll get back to you when I'm frying. This is how it is. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna start frying the fritters now, the apple fritters. The oil in that pot is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That was what the recipe asked for. I made a mistake. So we were frying 375 degrees Fahrenheit with the oil about 2 inches to 2.5 inches high. Okay. I'm gonna use a tablespoon, regular tablespoon, that the one that we eat with, and I just drop them in like that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 soon. They get dark pretty quickly, but as soon as they firm up, you can turn them. Just like that. So that is how they go. The scraps, you can move the scraps at the same time. Don't let them stay and burn in the pot, as they will interfere with the flavor of the fritters. So as soon as they get brown on each side, you can remove them. How lovely they look. Okay. Move them on. Let the extra oil drain. These fritters are very delicious. This is how they look. Okay. I'll be putting in the rest now. When I'm finished, I'll show you them. Okay guys, the upper fritters are now finished. They are nice and lovely, nice and soft. So they look on the inside, nice and soft. The only thing I observe about them is that they come out dark, kind of dark. Maybe it's because of the vanilla, the cinnamon and nutmeg. I don't know, I use granulated sugar, so maybe that's the way they are supposed to look. They're looking good still, and like I said, they're moist, soft and juicy. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any recipe you'd like me to make, just put that in the comment section. Thank you.